고고요 고고요 아스나는 있어 아이거는 셋이 있어 있어 소금이사와도 그래서 고고요 고고요 시시는 셋때 아이거든 셋세 아이쇼 이
Naka-isyo ni.
나때려
Ishoni. Ishoni.
Say and do that. That's the song says yes. 소금이사와도 그래서 고고요 고고요 세상에 알게도 이어지대지
Nanino na maino sensei.
Sakura says I'm changing.
Dari no daisuki. No sensei.
Sakura says
Sakura sensei.
Akala ko si Mai Sensei.
Ichiban sensei.
Sakura says
Kasi
Sakura
mabait
Sensei.
yun eh, daddy eh.
I want to be Naga-chan. That's my friend. Shall have sipon then
Nanino na maino tomodachi.
Naga-chan.
Nakachan.
Rokun. Yuna-chan.
Daddy kinis siya ni Rokong.
Show no on my face.
Why?
And wash it on stance.
You wash it?
My tummy lang.
Nagpapakiss siya, daddy.
Naga-chan. Yamata-kun.
Diba, baby?
Michiko-chan. Momo-chan.
Natawa ako. Nakita ko siya kinis siya ni Rokong. Sabay ganyan yung mukha eh. Oh. Ay nga, kinis ka ni Rokong. Ano hindi? Bad yung
Daddy.
naglalay ha?
Daddy. Dad, a picture face.
Close kayo ni Rokong. Friend mo siya, di ba? Best friend mo siya.
I got my own light. I got my own light so to go to school.
Who gave you that?
Tita Aura.
Tita Ara.
What will you
That's-
say?
That's
What will you say
that's my sister.
What will you say?
That's my sister.
What will you say?
Tita Ara, my old sister. That's
What will you say nga?
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu.
Dapat na yung nagkaganong ka.
Arigato
Because
gozaimasu.
I just Nagacha is my best friend.
Bigyan na lang natin kay Chloe yan.
This is not for babies. This is for
For kids.
kids, not for babies.
I-baby ka pa kaya namin.
This is just eat them is.
Bigay ko na lang kay
eat and
Chloe
eat
yan.
and eat. Draw my name, Mom.
No, bigyan
Oh,
natin kay
my
Chloe.
Hey, this is mine. This is for kids lang.
Write my name, not draw
Para
my
kang si
name.
Karen.
Draw my name, Dad.
Write my name.
Write my name.
Para kamukha mo siya at Tita Karen.
Eh!
Ay,
I'm so hungry, Mommy. That's not my name.
kamukha mo nga si Tita Karen. Hindi ko naman sinabing ikaw si Tita Karen eh.
No. Because I don't like my name like that.
Kamukha mo nga, look alike.
No.
Mm.
Who will write it?
You.
Hindi siya
just
marunong.
English. Just English.
English only.
Yes. Here lang.
Here. English?
English.
Gandaan mo ah.
That's number 3.
Hindi na mo mababasa yan. Nick.
More
Pangit.
More hearts.
hot.
Me, Chico.
Hindi matatanggal yan, anak.
What's this?
What up?
Oh, see that?
Who did it?
You.
Me?
Dad, you don't on the line like that.
It's okay.
Dad,
Hmm.
what's this?
Tanggalin natin.